Hey, you guys, I'm sorry. I got the sniffles, but we got the big one today. And I'm actually out here, so I hope I can get my vehicle out of my car here. So I believe if I make it out to the street, that the streets are clean and I can get out. I surely hope so. Looks like they got a, oh no. I think I can get out. There's another lady. A vehicle. The big hump right there. That's gonna be the test. All right. I gotta put the, look at that Jeep. Baby, she went right on over that hub. That big old dip of snow. Look at the snow, you guys. We didn't get it as bad as southern Indiana, but it's pretty bad. And it's 6 a.m., 6:30 or 6:40, something like that. And I'm headed to work on the day shift. Like, look, you guys. It's Deer Park. Nobody's out here with me. And the lady in my community. So yeah, streets are clean. But Indiana, we got hit, y'all. That's one thing about here in the Midwest. Just because it snows, that don't mean a thing. The show still goes on. Still gotta get up and get to work. Still gotta get up and get to school. Don't stop. It's bad. The roads are clean, guys. And we did not get hit like southern Indiana. Thank goodness my daughter told me last night around 8 o'clock and it had been snowing since 8 o'clock in the morning in southern Indiana. So they got about 8 inches of snow. Yeah. There's snowed under. Almost missed my turn. There's so much snow, you can't even see the road. Like, look at the road, it's just covered with snowdrifts. I made it to work.